The thing with Siddheshwari is that much as, and it was true, after I did Siddheshwari and I entered the industry, and it was already a very celebrated film in its very first year, I used to get a lot of flack. I would attend a film party, and a lot of actresses and some current filmmakers who are now in 45, 50 years old would actually attack me very directly and say कि अरे तुमने क्या एक्टिंग की होगी उसमें, तुमने तो यहाँ से वहाँ मुंह घुमाया होगा, फिर ऊपर देखा होगा, फिर नीचे देखा होगा, तुमने क्या एक्टिंग की है. And they would say things like what Siddharth said, that you know, how dare people like Mani and Kumar make films, they shouldn't be allowed to make films, you know. And I knew internally that after doing a film like Siddheshwari and the early films that I did, there was absolutely no looking back in terms of what it meant for me. And somewhere it did spoil me for the rest of the industry at some level, because when I'm lit badly or in not a very great frame, I just know it. My skin just knows it, that this is not a great frame. And that happened because of working with Mani. So I'll tell you why. It's very awkward for me to talk about Mani and the film and acting in it, because here, you know, people are his friends, his disciples, students. And when I met Mr. Kaul, I was a 25-year-old straight out of drama school with a very great sense of self, that that I had left home to become an actress. I had gone hungry. I had joined drama school because you could do those things those days. You had a scholarship. And for those 3 years, it was like a great process where we learned everything. So when Mani first said to me, his first opening sentence to me was that I hate trained actors. ये सिनेमा के लिए एकदम बकवास होते हैं. And he had already cast me. So he says, आपकी जो ट्रेनिंग है वो सबसे ख़राब चीज़ है मेरी फिल्म के लिए. तो मैंने कहा फिर मुझे कास्ट क्यों किया? I'm thinking to myself. Then I'm saying no. He can't be meaning it. Otherwise he wouldn't have cast me. So then he said, क्योंकि आप लोगों को तो एक्टर्स को तो सिनेमा के फ्रेम की समझ ही नहीं है. So I was really half a film old. So I said to him, तो हाँ तो फिर आप समझाइए क्या है फिर, अगर आप कहते हैं कि हमको समझ नहीं है. और अंदर ही अंदर मैं कह रही थी, हाँ शायद आपको एक्टर की भी समझ नहीं है. You know, there was this kind of a healthy sort of disregard, or a healthy not disrespect, but I can't get the word right now. So then he explained to me कि अगर ऐसा एक फ्रेम है तो आप इधर हैं और आप अपना हाथ उठाती हैं, तो फिर बाकी फ्रेम को क्या होता है आपके उस हाथ हटाने से? आपने कभी सोचा है हाथ उठाने से? और अगर आप वहाँ खड़ी हैं और आपकी नज़र यहाँ जाती है, तो उस बाकी जो खाली स्पेस है फ्रेम की, आपने कभी सोचा उसको क्या होता है? Do you know what happens to it? So I was just listening to him. We were sitting in Delhi. It was a winter afternoon. So I said, And then it sunk into me that, yes, I think I know what he's saying, because as actors who are trained in a theater space, you have to have a very powerful and a tactile relationship with not just the animate, but also the inanimate. And it's the actor's job in theater to actually enliven a space where nothing exists, to create something there. For example, if I suddenly turn and look there, then as if somebody has come, then it's quite likely that a lot of you would do that, but there is nothing. I have simply created it with my gaze. So I understood that. Then he said, performance के 3 अंक होते हैं, एक होता है नृत्य, and he paused. So I said, हाँ नृत्य नाट्य. So he says, तुम्हें कैसे मालूम? So I said, वो हमने पढ़ा था NSD में. कब पढ़ा था? तो हमने कहा वो पूरे एक सेमेस्टर नाट्य शास्त्र पढ़ाया था, तो उसमें समझाया था कि नृत्य नाट्य क्या होता है. अच्छा. So, you know, then he also said, fortunately for me, we had learned the Natya Shastra. We had done an analysis of what miniature paintings were with Geeti Sen for a 10-day workshop. So when Mani Kaul said to me that I would like you to study miniature paintings, and I really got into it. He also told me study Kathak, you know, because it's connected to the Thumri. With Mani, while the shooting was on, it was very interesting because he would provoke me all the time. First of all, he provoked me by saying that trained actors are useless. So I had to prove him wrong there. And then he would provoke all the time because he wouldn't even look at me. So I would be hanging on to the assistant director and saying, is he not even interested in what I'm doing? I mean, is he even looking at me? And the assistant would say, yeah, he absolutely knows what he's doing. You don't worry about it. The other thing, it's very complex. Sometimes I think I should just write about it all because there are lots and lots and lots of things. But the fact is that to enter a film like Siddheshwari, you needed to be in a state of deep meditation almost with your own craft. एंड उन दिनों क्योंकि टेलीविज़न नहीं आया था इस देश में, तो हमारी जो थिएटर की जो NSD में जो हमको सिखाया था नाट्य शास्त्र, मिनिएचर पेंटिंग, फिल्म एप्रिसिएशन, स्कल्पचर, लाइटिंग, एवरीथिंग was that meditative space. You had to enter with a lot of stuff to do a performance for Manikal, because deep down he is a very skillful and a great artist, and he understands all of the many aspects of performance. But as Siddharth was saying, thoda upar thoda kam kar do, thoda zyada kar do, that is that's his way of simplifying something for you and not making you feel at sea. But I don't think if I had not had that 3 years of training in which we'd had some great teachers teaching us, I don't think I could have entered Manikal's film and given it and actually reveled in it. But all I want to say is that you've seen the film, those of you who haven't, it's a performance for me which I don't know if I can do today, because I have been so deadened by 20 years of living the professional life as an actor, which is all about products, creating products. And Siddheshwari is a performance of enormous meditative centering, where you should just actually stay with the sa while you're singing and actually go on to all the other notes in your head. You should be able to do that. About the film and about Films Division, and I really want to thank Films Division today for giving 35mm stock. The one thing I used to hear all the time while we were shooting Siddheshwari was, Meeta, we need a one take okay.